See, in the previous video, I mentioned about allotropic forms of phosphorus like white phosphorus, red phosphorus, black phosphorus, which is more stable, white is stable. Now, next concept is phosphine. Phosphine formula is BH3. Like ammonia and H3. And remember here, this is poisonous in nature. So it's one of the property also. It's a poisonous compound. It's a colorless gas. Colorless. Now, pure phosphine is odorless. But when impurities are present, it has a whatever garlic or a bad smell or rotten fish smell will be there. Garlic or rotten fish smell will be there. It is impurity. Impurity may be P2H4 etc. Then they have the bad smell. Explodes when oxidizing agents like HNO3, Cl2 vapor, Br2 vapors are present. Whatever the solubility, sparingly soluble in water, not completely soluble. Preparation. One is lab method. Important. They may ask, explain the preparation of phosphine by lab preparation method. Or explain the lab method of preparation of phosphine. Like that, a question can be there. What you do is, take the white phosphorus, treat with sodium hydroxide solution. See, this is the sodium hydroxide solution. What I am going to get is phosphine along with NaH2PO2, sodium hypophosphate. This is white phosphorus and this is phosphine. Previously I mentioned over there that white phosphorus reaction. White phosphorus react with the sodium hydroxide solution and gives the phosphine etc. And remember, same phosphorus is involved in oxidation and reduction. So it's a disproportionation reaction. What the mistake I did here? I did not write the balance equation. Write the balance equation also. Otherwise, you will lose the marks. Balance equation is must for inorganic chapters. Organic, if you don't write the balance equation, you are going to get the marks. So, what is the balance equation here? 3, and it is 3. So this is the balance equation also. Then you will get a full marks also. Value pH3 is pure. It is non-inflammable. But presence of the impurities like P2H4 make them inflammable. If this impurity is present, it is catches fire quickly. Instead of this, P4 vapors also if at all present, because we are getting from the white phosphorus only. So if this white phosphorus vapors are present, then also it becomes inflammable, because white phosphorus is highly volatile. Purification. What you do is, this PH3 you react with the HI. You are going to get PH4I. And PH4I obtained to treat with KOH solution. You are going to get pure PH3 and the Ki along with the water molecule. Another method of preparation of phosphine is from calcium phosphide, Ca2 plus P3 minus. So what is the formula? Ca3P2. What you do is, you treat with the HCl. Ca3P2 you treat with water molecules. We are going to get phosphine as one of the products. What is the other product? I am going to get the CaCl2. In this, again, phosphine is one of the product. Another product will be, yes, calcium hydroxide. Value equation here 6. Then how much? 2, 3. What are the values in here? 6, 3, 2. Equation is balanced, I think so. Just see this. So from the calcium phosphide also we can get a phosphine. Phosphine is treated to water. Phosphine decomposes to give red phosphorus along with the dihydrogen gas in presence of light. Now reaction with copper sulfate, CuSO4 react with the phosphine and gives copper phosphide, Cu3P2 plus 3 moles of sulfuric acid. I think 3 Cu. Is it balanced? Just see that. HgCl2 plus phosphine gives Hg3P2 along with HCl. Again, the equation is not balanced. Write the balanced equation. 3, 2, 6. I think so is the balanced equation. With respect to basic strength, it is weaker base than ammonia. PH3 react with the HBr and can give PH4Br. Weaker basic than ammonia. Why it is? See, orbitals are so diffused in nature when you move down the group, unlike the nitrogen. So electron donating capacity also decreases. Used in a signal for the ship crew members to know where to land, where the land is there. What they do is calcium carbide and the phosphine containing container will be taken and this will be pierced. The smoke comes with the color. From the far away, people in the ship can know that, okay, here is the place where we have to go. The crew member can come to know that, okay, where to go. So it acts as a signal for them. So for that, we are using it where calcium carbide and phosphine mixture will be used in smoke screens. Small amount of phosphine used as a dopant in semiconductor